Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you inside Canvas there is an accessibility feature called Immersive Reader, and that can enable text to be narrated for you within certain formats. So in this particular format it can work. If I just click inside this module and if I press Immersive Reader, it converts the text into the Immersive Reader, and I can simply press the play button on that. So then it's a simple case of pressing the play button.
Welcome. The MTU Cork Campus Disability Support Service, DSS, is part of the Access Service.
And if you want to configure that, then you can go in to change the voice settings in there. There's two currently. You can change the speed also. In my opinion, this voice is probably the most natural of the various narration tools that I provide for students. Now, as well as that, if you go up here, you can also choose your text preferences in terms of text size, font style. Sometimes there's just a choice of 3 here, but some of them may be of benefit, might be of interest to you, and maybe of benefit for you in your particular style of reading. And you can change the themes as well. And as well as that, you can go in to choose switching on syllable support. So it splits up the word based on syllables and it identifies nouns, etc. And if we go in here, then we can switch on picture dictionary as well, which is on. And in terms of the picture dictionary, you just press on the word and it gives you a depiction of what it is. And so that is it. So again, the Immersive Reader, which is available as a plugin on Canvas. Again, it's not available on certain formats. So it's my understanding that specific formats, perhaps like PDF documents, it may not work. But with text embedded within the actual Canvas, it should work. Text like the following. Immersive Reader is also available across Office products. So if it's Microsoft Word, if it's PowerPoint, if it's Office, and if it's Excel, I believe, the Immersive Reader is available. So you just click on View and then activate Immersive Reader. And that is basically it. And thank you for watching.